I'm selling my favourite personal banjo. It's a Windsor Premier. It's a beautiful banjo. They're really hard to get. It dates from about 1896. It's their top of the range Windsor. It's got features like on the back here. This adjustment here is actually to adjust the angle of the neck. It's spun brass. It's a beautiful old thing, but unfortunately, I've developed arthritis in my left hand, and I can hardly play it at all. But it's a great banjo that screams. I'll see if I can demonstrate something. It won't be very good, but here we go. This banjo's suitable for claw hammer like that, or I can't finger pick anymore. Equally as good for bluegrass. That's a great banjo, and I've got this one for sale for $950 with a hard case, so be quick on this because it won't last long.